guys, welcome to the new channel Frontend Development Classes. Here you will be given training on the front-end languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you will be given training based on the live sessions and including the practicals. Let me introduce myself Jatin, and I have around 3+ years experience in front-end development, developing applications in Angular, React, and using the technologies HTML, CSS, JavaScript, nodejs. So I have mentioned the information in the about section. You can check for more details, and hope you will join and become an expert in the front end domain. Yeah, thanks.